everyone, this is Terry at terryscraftroom.com. I just wanted to log on today and talk to you a little bit about this Hello Ladybug Bundle, and specifically the Ladybug Builder Punch. So this bundle is in the January through June 2022 mini catalog, and oh, I'm sorry, the sun is just right at the right angle to be on my in my video, but sorry about that. Anyway, this bundle is in the January through June 2022 mini catalog, and this Ladybug Builder Punch is not just for building ladybugs. I want to show you, I was playing the other day, and I made the ladybugs, and this one I actually even curved the, I don't know if you can see, yeah, there you can see, I curved the wings, but also you can make bees, and you can curve those wings as well. I made a kitty cat, I made a bat, I made a bunny, I made a butterfly, and I made a couple flowers. Here's a simple flower, and this one is made with a whole bunch of the wings just attached to a circle on the back. Isn't that beautiful? And I just was playing with some scraps of paper the other day. So what could you think of to make with your Ladybug Builder Punch? Leave a comment below and let me know. I'd love to hear what you have to say. Anyway, hope you enjoyed today's little tip. Please subscribe and like this video if you do, and we'll see you next time. Bye!